Hey friends, and especially my patrons, hope you're well. And in today's video I want to show you the results of my previous trading ideas that I have been sharing with you in the month of March, and we will see that how many ideas were successful and how many ideas were unsuccessful. And before that, in my previous video that I shared, in which I showed you the results of my previous trading ideas that I have been sharing from December 2020 to Feb 2021, we have already seen that the success ratio was more than 86%. So let's start. But before starting, I would request you that most of the times I share the idea when the price action is completing the final leg of any pattern. That is only to keep an eye on the price action, and we would not miss that trade. So in today's video, I will consider only those trades as successful or unsuccessful where the price action has completed the final leg and entered in the buying zone, and after that the price action moved up and hit the sell targets, and sometimes moved down and broke down the buying zone. So let's start the video. First of all, this was the idea, and the most important thing, the most of these ideas will be based on the harmonic trading patterns, the 6 harmonic trading patterns: the guardless, cipher, shark, bat, butterfly, and crab. But some of the ideas can be based on the conventional patterns like triangle or pennant or any other pattern. So first idea was this: I was expecting a breakout by the Bitcoin, and this idea I shared on the 1st of March. And by the way, if you would like to support me here at the Patreon, then I've also shared the link in the video's description, and you can find there. So this was the link for the idea, and these are the private charts that I am sharing at the TradingView. And then I share the links at the Patreon. From there, you can access these charts. So this was the price action of Bitcoin, and here I was expecting that the price line will break out this falling wedge pattern. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price action did break out this resistance of the falling wedge, and we had a really very good, powerful bullish rally. Now after this Bitcoin chart, and by the way, if you don't have account on the TradingView, then you cannot play this chart like I am playing. If you don't have account, then you can follow the link I've shared in the video's description, and then you will, after at least you can create a free account, then you will be able to play the charts at the TradingView that I'm sharing there. Now after the Bitcoin, the next chart was this Serum, the SRM, and here the price action of Serum formed a harmonic move. In fact, it was likely to complete the final leg of the bullish shark, and I was expecting that it will complete the final leg of the bullish shark, and from here it will be reverse bullish. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price action moved down, went very close to this buying zone, and moved to the upside. But the pattern is not completed, as we can see that the buying zone was starting from 75.00007527 satoshis, and the price action moved down up to 0.00007885 satoshis. So this was a really small difference. However, the leg is not completed, therefore I'm just ignoring this chart. And after that, I shared the next chart. These were the videos that I am also sharing on the YouTube as well. So the next chart was the Bitcoin Cash, and the Bitcoin Cash formed a bullish cipher pattern, and we can see that this cipher pattern was formed on the weekly time frame chart. So it was not completely formed. It was the price action went very close to this buying zone, and I was expecting that it will complete the final leg. And we can see that the price action went very close to this buying zone and reversed to the upside. Therefore, I'm also ignoring this chart as well. So far, we have one successful chart of the Bitcoin, and then I shared this XRP on 2nd of March, and the price action of XRP completed another harmonic Gartley move on the weekly time frame chart, and after playing, you can see that a long spike entered in this buying zone, and after playing this chart we can see that the price action turned bullish, and at this time it is moving in this sell zones. So now we have two successful charts, and after XRP we have the next chart, XVG, that I shared on 2nd of March, and I was expecting up to 125% rally, and this is the link for the chart. And the price action of XVG formed a bullish shark pattern. Here the price action completed this bullish shark pattern, and I was expecting that it will give us another chance to move up from here. Otherwise it will be reversed to the upside, and we can see that the price action again gave us another chance, entered in this buying zone and turned really very strong bullish. Now we have three successful ideas after XVG. The next one is the Ethereum. It formed the bullish cipher move. In fact, I also already shared this chart in the month of Feb as well. It was still in process. Therefore, in order to recall this pattern, I just shared this chart once again in the month of March, on the 2nd of March. And you can see that the price action was completing this bullish cipher move against the Bitcoin. And this can be a really very big move I'm expecting against the Bitcoin. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price action, as per bullish cipher, moved down. And after that, moved to the upside and hit this sell zone that starts from 0.382. Fibonacci projection. So but I'm still expecting that it will start a really very big bullish rally to the upside, as it is also forming a broadening formation. I will also share my analysis in the form of video with you as well. However, this is another successful chart of Ethereum, and so far we have 4 successful trades. And after Ethereum, the next chart was Doge, and this was another chart of Doge that is still in process, and I in fact shared this chart previously in the month of Feb as well, and that is still in process. And that was the Doge with Bitcoin pair, and here we can see that the price action was already moving in, it was expected to complete this final leg of the bullish Gartley. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price action of Doge completed this final leg, and so far it is moving in this buying zone. I'm expecting that this month this chart will be executed successfully. So far it is still in process. So let's move to the next chart, and the next one is, these are the videos, and this was the chart. That was the UNFI token. And this is the link for the chart, and this was the bullish cipher move on the 4-hour chart. I was expecting that all the legs have been driven as per required for the bullish cipher, and the final leg can be completed. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price action completed this final leg here, move at the end of this potential reversal zone, and hit the sell zone again. Now we have 5 successful charts, and after UNFI token we have the secret coin that I shared on 4th of March, and this was another harmonic move. That was the Gartley pattern on the 4-hour chart again, and the price action was already in the buying zone. It already had completed this bullish Gartley pattern, and after playing this chart we can see that the price action broke down the buying zone. It completed here, and this is a very long spike. For me, if the price action even has hit the spike in the buying zone, and after that it has hit the spike in the sell zone, the pattern is successfully executed. Let me show you this again. The price action was moving here in the buying zone, and now after playing this chart we can see that the price action hit a very very long spike in the sell zone. You can see up to this level. So now we have 6 successful charts, And after UN secret coin, we have Zcash. This was also one of my favorite trade, and this was against the Bitcoin. And this was on the daily time frame chart, I think. Yeah, on the daily time frame chart, the price action completed this bullish bat move, and after playing this chart, we can see that the price action turned really strong bullish. So far, it has just hit the sell zone, and maybe it will be moved more up. Now we have 7 successful trades. The next trade was Dent token, the DENT. That was also on the daily time frame chart. This was another bullish Gartley pattern. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price action was moving in this buying zone and turned really very strong bullish. That was a really very big bullish move. So now we have 8 successful trades and 0 unsuccessful trade. Now we have the next chart, the Zcash, and that was moving in a broadening formation, and that was a part of the previous chart when the price action was moving in the previous bad move, and I was also expecting that it will be turned bullish by the support of the broadening formation. So this is the sequence of part of the previous chart. Let me show you what the price action did. The price action is bounced again by the support of this broadening formation. And the next trade was Cardano. And here I was expecting up to 53% rally. And this was the bullish cipher pattern I was expecting in this chart. That was on the daily time frame. And this is the chart. And you can see at that time the price line was completing this final leg of the bullish cipher, and after playing this chart we can see